There's a technicals tab on every TradingView chart that gives you a complete summary of an asset's technical condition in seconds, and here's how you can use it. First, open the asset you want to look at. When you're on the chart, go to the top left next to the ticker name. Click right here, and then click on technicals. Then our screens will look the exact same, just the numbers might be a little different. Now, you'll see a summary gauge. This gauge is calculated from dozens of indicators combined, and based on the result of that, it'll tell you whether the asset you're looking at is a strong sell, neutral, buy, or strong buy. Now, next to these two gauges, you'll see two sub-gauges, one for oscillators and one for moving averages, and each gives you a separate rating from those indicator groups. And when you scroll down, you can see the actual breakdown. You can see the breakdown here for oscillators, and you can see the breakdown here for moving averages. Now, what's great about this is that you can change what you're looking at by timeline. You can go all the way from 1 month to 1 minute. And you can cycle through all of these time frames to get a better idea of how the asset truly is. Although it's important to note that this does differ based on what type of asset you are looking at. And on the bottom, there's data for different pivot points. Have a great day, guys.